but I'll be on it always, always and forever.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me. So give me a run for my money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to be hopping right into a makeup tutorial for beginners. I already did do my brows, and on the brows I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the color Arbor. Okay, so the foundation that we're going in with is Makeup by Mario. We are going to go in with the One Size Concealer. Just go in and just highlight the main points of my face: forehead, under the eyes, chin, and nose. Take a beauty blender. Okay guys, my mic had died right here, but I'm just blending in the concealer color, and you guys are going to see me talking to the mic looking crazy because I thought that it was recording the whole time, but it wasn't. So yeah, we're just going to go in and blend that concealer all in, and then I'm just going to go in with my Huda Beauty powder. This is a setting powder, which I have in the color Banana Bread. And then I'm going to go in with my liquid contour by Rare Beauty, which I think is so freaking tea. It melts into the skin so good. I absolutely love this. I think it's the first contour I've ever had. I've always used bronzer. And then I am going to go in with my bronzer by Benefit for the eyes. And then this is a new blush that I got from Ulta, which you guys are going to see my reaction here. I think I put on a little bit too much. I didn't know it was going to be that pigmented. And I was honestly trying to do my best to blend it in and make it more presentable. You're going to see me go in with some concealer to try to cover some of that up. Honestly, I think I did a really good job. I do think if I was going for that type of look that the girls be doing, I would have executed it a lot better. But yeah. So like I said, I'm just going to go in with my concealer by One Size. I think this is the color Dark 1. But yeah, I love this concealer. It's so good. So yeah, we're just trying to camouflage all of that up. And then I'm just showing you guys the process. And then I was singing that little TikTok song, She Was a Fairy. Yes, I'm just going in with some bronze on the nose. And then I am going to go in my Urban Decay eyeliner under the eyes. I'm not even sure if I was doing that right, but we tried. And then we're going to go in with that One Coat Wow by Huda Beauty. I love this mascara. I just wish it was waterproof. I think it's really, really good. Yeah, it does get your lashes in one coat. And then we're going in with that Fenty I Wouldn't lip liner, okay, which I love. I love a good brown lip liner. Fenty is always good for the brown lip liners, period. And then you guys let me know down below, what is your favorite lip liner? Like, what brand, what color? Someone let me know if the MAC lip liner is really as good as everybody say it is. And then you know your girl had to go in with the pink gloss. Okay, this is Lawless Strawberry Milkshake. I love it. I do use the color Daisy, but I think I like the Strawberry Milkshake better. It is so good, so creamy at last, and it gives you that nice plump, okay, period. So we are done with the look, but we are going to go in with that Urban Decay setting spray, which is my fave, alright? I love Urban Decay setting spray. And then, oh my gosh, this is the look, okay? I honestly think at the end, I really did like the look. It did come out as a soft glam. Definitely impressed myself, especially when it came to the blush. I honestly thought the blush messed me up. This was really going to be a video labeled makeup from hell because I swear I was panicking a little bit. I'm like, oh my gosh, what should I do? Should I redo the makeup over? But honestly, it came out so great, guys. And like I said, this is a beginner friendly. I am still a beginner myself into makeup, but I honestly think anybody can do this look. It's very simple. Don't need that many products. I shop at Sephora. You don't have to shop at Sephora, the drugstore, and Ulta also sells cheap brands that are really, really good, guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye. Mwah.
Yeah.
Don't make me cry, say.
It's so expensive. Yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road. I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin.